The Tesla Model Y has been on customers' hands for 2 months now, and although Elon Musk shared lots of information about it prior to the deliveries, the community has found some hidden and not disclosed changes to the Model Y. Let's reveal them. Welcome. You're watching On Forward. Here are 5 secrets and hidden changes to the Model Y. At the end, I also included a bonus improvement that I bet you don't know about, so make sure you watch all the way through. We're starting strong with this one. At number 5, we have the next-gen wiring, or the lack of it. Prior to the release, there were big rumors about the Model Y having a totally new next-gen wiring. This was because a series of patents Tesla filed in 2018 and 2019. These improvements would enable lower costs of manufacturing and much easier automation, which we know Tesla is pursuing. Recently, Sandy Munro, a respected advisor for big automakers, showed in his YouTube channel that the Model Y has not been equipped with this improvement. While this is disappointing, I expect it to be implemented in the near future. As we know, Tesla is continuously improving their cars, and therefore it wouldn't be a surprise if in 2 months the Model Y does have this upgrade. For number 4, I picked the radar heater, which is one of the various differences the Model Y has with the Model 3. Back in 2018, Elon Musk was asked if Tesla was planning to add a radar heater to their cars, and he answered that Tesla doesn't plan to rely on radar long term, but he did not dismiss the possibility. He said, quote, "Long term, the car will work purely on vision, with radar just a plus, but maybe worth adding a radar heater anyway." Didn't take long for Tesla hacker Green to obtain Model Y wiring diagrams after first delivery started, revealing that the Model Y has indeed a radar heater. With this add-on and also the heat pump, we can see that Tesla is focusing more on colder climates, which are rougher for electric vehicles. At number 3, we have the improved connection between the autopilot computer and the infotainment system. Before, the connection enabled 100 megabit per second speeds, but in the Model Y, there is a new connection that enables up to 1 gigabit per second. Many have said that this update is not really necessary right now, but it could enable faster autopilot visual updates on the screen, while others speculate that this is only a matter of costs, and this alternative is just cheaper. What do you think this is for? Tell me in the comments if you have any idea. Number 2. The Octo Valve. This is the successor to the Model 3's Super Bottle, which was the control and distribution center for all the cooling and heating of the car. As you probably know, the Model Y also includes a heat pump, which is 3 times more efficient than a regular resistive heater. The car has lots of components and systems that need to be cooled and heated, like for example the battery, the cabin, the motors, the autopilot computer, etc. A typical automaker would have different cooling systems for each component, as they mostly make their cars with off-the-shelf components. But as we know, Tesla is vertically integrated, so they've designed a centralized system that is much more efficient. The Octo Valve's job is to control the circulation of liquid coolant that provides thermal regulation to all the components of the car, and it works just by turning a stepper motor. I'd like to see this improvement coming to the Model 3, but because this is a significant change, I think we'll have to wait a bit. Number 1. The electronics. If we thought the Model 3 was way ahead of the competition in terms of electronics, the Model Y doubles down on that. In his teardown, Sandy Munro encountered new versions of the controller boards in the Model Y. As it can be seen in the pictures, it is much more densely populated with electronics. The same thing happened with the autopilot computer. This is the Model 3's computer, but the one present on the Model Y is simply stunning according to Sandy Munro. Tesla seems to be continuously improving the technology of their cars, which is already years ahead of the competition. Now, as I promised, we have the bonus improvement. I wasn't really expecting something like this. Tesla made the opening for the side pillar camera smaller on the Model Y, which means there's a lower chance of having glare problems because of the sun at certain angles. As Elon said, autopilot relies heavily on the cameras, so it's intelligent to ensure that they are not obstructed in any way. We can see that Tesla pays close attention to the details and aims to improve their cars in every way possible. If we thought we knew everything about the Model Y, we were completely wrong. And probably there are many other things that went over our heads. But this is the interesting part about Tesla. They are always innovating and improving. If you like this video, consider subscribing. That helps me a lot. So, that is all for today. I really hope you liked this video. Here you have 2 more that you may like. See you later.